Let's learn how to loop a video on your iPhone. So if you want to create a seamless loop for a specific video that you have, or create that boomerang effect like you see on Instagram stories, then follow my steps because it's really easy to do that. What you want to do is to go over to your App Store and then install a free app called CapCut. This is a free app that is available for both iOS and Android devices, and we will be using this application to loop our videos. So once you install the app, open it and then create a new project. That's going to open our photo gallery where we can import the video which you want to loop. So the video is on my timeline right here, and I'm just going to go over to the end and delete this CapCut watermark. Now let's create the loop effect. You want to select your video by tapping on it and then scroll down through these tools until you can see the duplicate effect, or maybe it's called copy for you. But tap on either of the two, and that is going to copy our video. Now we have two exact copies, but let's make a boomerang effect. You want to select the second video in your timeline that we had just copied and scroll down until you can see the reverse option at the bottom. Click on that button and then wait a couple of seconds until CapCut reverses your video. And when you do these steps, your video will be looped and you will get that boomerang effect. When you want to save the video to your gallery, simply tap on the little arrow icon and that's it.